If you're working with extended events, you will love some of these tips and tricks that I'm showing you. I already have a session configured called query stats, and a few events are already configured. Now each event has multiple fields there, and if I want some of these fields in the live window, let's say SQL statement completed and duration is important to me, I can right click, show the column and table. Now when you have multiple events and multiple columns and variety of different values you may want to filter. So if I select filter here, I can filter on time, but more importantly, I want to filter, let's say, on duration, and I want to find out all the statements where the duration was, let's say, greater than 10 seconds, so to say. So I say 10, and this is 10,000, which is millisecond, and the value in duration field is in microseconds, so 3 more zeros there, and I click on OK, and you can filter all the events where duration is greater than 10,000 milliseconds, which is 10 seconds. Now let's clear this off. Another cool thing here is the toggle bookmark feature. Let's say this particular event is of interest to me, so I can right click and toggle bookmark, and if I scroll down, let's say another event and some values are interesting to me, I can right click and toggle bookmark. Now the thing is, I want to compare between two bookmarks, so here is the shortcut. So I say Shift Alt and N and P, and for the next bookmark, P for the previous bookmark, and you can see now I am toggling between the two. So I'm pressing the key and I'm kind of comparing between the two values. Nice features. Let's say I clear all the bookmarks. Another great thing is the grouping feature. So I have a lot of these events configured. If I click on grouping and I want to group between, let's say, name, and I group on name and click on OK, and all the events are now grouped by their specific names, as you can see here. A lot of great features there. This was a short video. If you want to watch the full version of this video, visit SQLmaestros.com. I am also available on Twitter, _Bansal. And if your time permits, please visit dataplatformvirtualsummit.com. See you soon in another video. Thank you.